Hey, what's up guys? Happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Mine was alright. I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Okay, it's not really a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be doing eyeliner tutorial, and I'm also gonna be trying the soap brows. I saw these videos on YouTube and you know I have nothing to do right now, so we're gonna try it. These soap brows are supposed to give you like a wispy look. So first you gotta buy a translucent soap. I actually bought this one, this Pearls one, which is the one that they recommended on YouTube. I got this at the dollar store. It smells like Bengay, I feel. Is this like Bengay? Oh, yeah. You put some water in this soap, and then you get a little spoolie, and you just get a little bit of soap on your spoolie. So once you have the soap in your spoolie, you just start wisping them out. Here you go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, well, I mean, they are wispy. Definitely getting the job done. I see the wisp. So this is what I saw them do. You just kind of comb them, brush them up. Parezco ese señor, el papá de... Do you know that crazy guy with the brows? He's an old man, Latino. Somebody knows what I'm talking about. No me acuerdo cómo se llama el señor. Oh, we're getting somewhere here. Alright, so it's kind of funny because even though I already combed both of my brows up, I obviously have a deeper issue because this one's still lower than this one. I mean, you have to draw them in anyways, but oh man. Alright, so start shaping them. Here we go. So from what I'm seeing here, my brows are the problem. Just kidding. I still have to draw them in. There's always hope. Basically just drawing a line underneath it. Okay, these are my soap brows. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about this one. It's a ColourPop liquid liner. I had a bunch of points to waste at Ulta, so I ordered this eyeliner. I got it in pink and I got it in green. Today we're gonna be using it in green. The actual color is the Hills. And how I do my liner, I trial and error, y'all. Like every single day, sometimes I mess up, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I get it right the first time, sometimes I have to try one eye like 10 times. Just life. Today, wish me luck. What I have been trying to do though is starting from the middle. So from like right here, and then just pulling it out. From here, and then pulling it out. And then right here, connecting it and filling it in. So that's what we're gonna try right now. Place this mirror so that you guys can see me. Here perhaps? All good. I can see myself, but I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, so I'm really trying to angle myself at a very interesting position here. Let's hope it doesn't backfire. Here we go. So start from the middle. This is a new pen, and it hasn't dried out or anything. I just bought it like a few days ago, so right now I'm like literally lightly tapping it, so I don't have to like... So that's what I just did. I did the line in the middle. Okay. Just go into the inner corner. Now wish me luck on the second one. Okay, so this one was a little harder. We're gonna get it done anyways. Okay, so there I connected the lines and now I'm drawing it in. And don't be scared to mess up. Don't be scared. Because I mean you could always clean it up. It's not that serious, you know? So the problem I've been having lately with my liner is that I just do one like higher than the other. I mean, do they look even? Oh my god, they don't. It looks like a... I like it when it looks like this. I don't really like it when it looks like this. So what I'm gonna do is just take off that tip with my fingers. It's still pretty dry. Is this waterproof? I doubt it. Okay, so I actually like this liner because it's really pretty green. All right, so this is the look. Green liner, brows, makeup. Now you're ready to go nowhere, and I like it. So if you guys want to see more tutorials, but I will do another liner tutorial, hopefully set my camera right so I can really show you guys how I get down and dirty with my black eyeliner, because it really do get down and dirty. I have like makeup wipes and everything trying to fix it, but it's a whole process. I'm down to do it again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I don't know, maybe I'll do it again.